Hello guys, this is Tom. As an auto parts supplier, I would like to help you guys know how to check shock absorbers. Because if you feel like your vehicle's ride quality is not like what it used to be, it is a good idea to know how to check shock absorbers, because it can make you avoid many unnecessary troubles. First of all, you guys need to observe your car from the front. When the car on a flat surface, it should appear perfectly level, which means both sides being the same height of the surface. Second, you can push down on the front of the car to test for weak shock absorbers. This is not a scientific test and is somewhat subjective, but it very helpful when taken in conjunction with other checks made. The next step is visually inspect your shock absorber. Look for signs of liquid that is or has been running down the shock absorber. Please notice, if it really happened, your shock absorbers might be bad. Once the seals begin leaking, the shock absorber would become ineffective. In this case, you may need to consider about change your shock absorber.